Hi, I'm John with badcredit.org. Rebuilding your credit can often seem like asking yourself that age old question: which came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, which comes first, rebuilding credit or getting a credit card? Well, you might need a credit card to prove you're responsible and raise your score, but you can't get a card because your score is too low. Well, the Merrick Bank secured credit card can help you break that cycle by offering a way to prove your creditworthiness while you build your score. Today, I'll dive into the basics so you can see if this card can help you take the next step in your credit journey. But before I do, I want to mention that we have a deep dive written review on our website that you should really check out. It covers everything and includes a step-by-step application walkthrough and a comparison with other popular secured cards. I put the link to that full article in the description so you can check it out. Now, our review found that the key benefit of the Merrick Bank secured credit card is how it helps you manage your credit utilization. Merrick allows you to scale your security deposit all the way up to $3,000. Having access to a higher credit limit like that makes it much easier to keep your utilization ratio low, which is crucial since utilization makes up 30% of your FICO score. Merrick Bank performs regular account reviews, and if you've made your payments on time, it may grant you a credit limit increase without requiring you to put down any more of your own cash. That's a great way to naturally transition into higher spending power. Now, in terms of account management, our reviewer was impressed by their customer service responsiveness, reaching a human representative in under 2 minutes during a test call. The mobile app also receives high marks from users for tracking balances and setting up autopay. However, there are a couple of potential drawbacks that you should know about so you can make an informed decision. First, there's a $36 annual fee. In the first year, this fee is charged entirely upfront. That means if you open the card with a minimum deposit of $200, your available credit will only be $164 until you pay it down. Now, after that first year, it breaks down into a more manageable $3 a month. Additionally, Merrick Bank requires you to pay your security deposit upfront within 20 days of applying, before they officially finalize and approve your application. But if you happen to be declined, you will get your money back, but it could take up to 20 days to see that cash returned to your bank account. So what's the final verdict? We'd recommend this card for those who want a clear path to automatic, no deposit credit line increases and a slightly lower APR than what a lot of subprime card issuers charge. However, if you don't need a high limit or if you qualify for a card with no annual fee and cashback rewards, you might want to keep looking. For the full breakdown of the fee structure and our complete pros and cons list, head over to the full review on badcredit.org. The link is right in the description. And if you found this review helpful, subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and straightforward credit advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.